Hi all, welcome back to my channel Venera Collections once again. Today's video is a very special one. We are collaborating with BeebeeCraft. You might have seen BeebeeCraft over any social media. I have seen them in Pinterest, Instagram or Facebook. Once one of my friends told me about the YouTube partnership program. You can get some free product from them if you are a YouTuber having more than 100 subscribers. You will get some products if you are affiliating with them. I did that and I received their product. I'm reviewing those products. Viewers gonna get $5 off for orders above $40. So if you are going to buy some product from BeebeeCraft after watching my video, make sure you use the code Venera5, which is valid till next year March 14. So you will get $5 off. It's cool, right? It's cool. Don't miss it. So we are going to unbox whatever things I got from BeebeeCraft. You can choose. I will show you how to do that, and I will give the links below for the products and their website, everything. Don't forget to read the description box below. I purchased some crystal beads, so it's the first time I'm buying from BeebeeCraft. I want to check whether it is original. So to identify that, I use one app called Rock Identifier. I'm sharing those videos as well. I'm using that app to identify the crystals. It shows the result is correct. Watch till end. Let's go. What's in our first packet? It's nothing other than Lapis lazuli. Let's feel it. Is it heavy? And it is cold to touch? Yes, I'm feeling the weight and touch, and the colors are different. Now we're gonna open cultured pearls or freshwater pearls. I don't know, I love pearls very much. It will go with any attire. Let it be casual or party wear, doesn't matter. So I love pearls. I need to buy more hues. As I told you earlier, this is my first order from BeebeeCraft. So I'm feeling it, feeling the genuinity and counting the beads. I want to make sure everything is good before I suggest to my subscribers. This one is rose quartz. This crystal is known as stone of love. Very powerful healing crystals for heart chakra. Not all of these beads are of same color. Some look more pinkish, but others are more of clear. I don't worry about the color variation as it is a natural trait. Last but not least, these are clasps. They are of two metal tones, silver and golden, and of 4 sizes. Let's see them. When you buy crystals, sometimes you cannot avoid the possibility of getting fake stones. So, how to identify them? Natural stones usually have different color variations. Look at the Lapis lazuli beads in close up. Some beads are very dark, some are light blue, some has gray tones. Likewise, the rose quartz as well. Some of them are clear, some of the beads are pink. So that is a natural quality. If all the beads are very identical, all the beads have similar veins, that inclusions, or if you see them, it can be fake. For that, to make sure your crystals are real crystals, you can use the app called Rock Identifier. It's very easy to use. I'm showing you how to use it. It is available on Android and iOS version. You have to download the app, take the pictures, and it will scan. It tells us which is our crystal. You may be thinking why I am sharing this app and how I do all those things in this video. It is just to tell you the beads I bought from BeebeeCraft are real. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to read the description below. Also, I'm once again reminding about the coupon we have. So you will get $5 off. You will be having lot of friends, those who make jewelry or those who make craft out of crystals or beads. Please do share with them, so they will also get benefited. Let's see how to use the site. Before you make purchase, create your login and set the password and go through the site. You can find whatever items you want, add it to the cart. It should be of minimum $40, then only you will get the discount. So add at least $40 worth products. Just for showing you, I'm randomly choosing some product and adding it to the cart. So at the checkout, you will get to see add coupon code option. It's only appear if you are adding $40 products. Type Venera 5 and check out as usual. Now let's check the YouTube program or affiliate Amazon program. Read all the information and fill out your forms. That's it. You are done.